Hi everyone, I am Shahana. I am talking about subclass Ophidia. Salient features. Subclass Ophidia belongs to class Reptilia and orders Cometa. Ophidia includes snakes. It's found both terrestrial and aquatic. Snakes are characterized by absence of limbs with the exception of
Which they
boas and
have
python,
rudiment of hind limbs.
external ear opening, tympanum, and also sternum and griddle. Eyelid of snakes are immovable. Snake has long, slender, protrusible tongue. This tongue is sensitive toward differ odor and vibration. The sense of the smell is important for most snakes. Body is round and elongated with an exoskeletal covering of horny epidermal scales, periodically cast off and renewed scaly epidermal skin is by the process of molting. Teeth are not implanted in the socket of jawbone but are simply ankylosed to the bone. The body of the snakes are differentiated into head, neck, trunk, tail. In snakes, legs may be asymmetrical. The left leg is highly reduced than the right leg. Snakes don't produce sound, but some snakes are producing noise by expiration. Example viper. Snakes are only here to the skill bones vibration on ground. Majority of snakes are viviparous, reproduce by laying egg. Some species viviparous. In this reproduction method, there is no egg present at all. Ovoviviparous is found in some snakes. In them, snakes are retaining in the oviduct until young ones are ready to hatch out. The involvement of ovaria and pituitary secretion during this pregnancy. Snakes are totally absent Ireland and New Zealand. No highly poisonous one in Madagascar. Example snakes are Thayas, Typhlops, Naja, the Boia, Bangarus, Hydrophis, etc. Thayas, commonly known as rat snake, they found all over the India, including Andaman and Nicobar Island. It's also called as farmer's best friend because they killed around 20,000 rat under the life. It is non-venomous and active snakes. Its body is large, streamlined and covered with glossy scales. Thayas very common snakes around human settlement. They can adapt to almost all environment. Rat snakes are mainly rat eaters. Head is covered by large shield. Rat snake is diurnal. It attacks forcible like a wipe. They are commonly oviparous. Typhlops. Typhlops, commonly known as blind snakes or worm snakes. It widely distributed in Europe, Asia, Africa, America and Australia. They have colonized even snakeless islands such as Lakshadweep, New Zealand and Hawaii. Typhlops snakes is non-poisonous snakes. Typhlops look like earthworm and is a dark chocolate color. Its body is slender and cylindrical. It is a burrowing snake feeding on small insects, earthworm, etc. Body is covered by minute, small, overlapping cycloid scale. Head contain mouth, nostril, and paired eyes. Eyes are vestigial, very minute and covered by scales. Hands are barely visible dots, hence the name blind snake. Next we discuss about Naja. Naja is commonly known as cobra. They are deadly poisonous snake. Poison fangs are followed by 1 to 3 small teeth. Common Indian cobra and king cobra are found in South India. Cobra living holes, understone, granaries, etc. It is oviparous, carnivorous, and feed on frog, rat, lizards, and other snakes. Naja is characterized by prominent hood, supported by rims and marked by a monocellular mark. They have small and indistinct head and rounded pupil. Next one is the boia. The boia is also known as chain viper. It is a heavy body, rough scales, brown or yellow colored. They are ovoviviparous. The boia is nocturnal and it is pixeled viper. Major identifying feature of the boia are thick and rough scaled body, narrow neck and short and blunt tail, flat broad and triangular head covered by small head scales. A characteristic V-shaped mark on the head. The boia viper inhabit the hill, forest, etc. Bangarus. Bangarus, commonly known as kite. It's deadly poisonous snake and common snake. its venom being more poisonous than a cobra, and its venom is neurotoxic, affecting brain. After an hour of bite, the victim feels sleepy, and if immediately antivenom is not given, the patient may die. But they rarely bite humans. It will attack only when disturbed with food. Bangaroos is a nocturnal and they feed on small snakes. Body is elongated and cylindrical. Color of body is steel blue and dark blue patches alternate with wild cross bands. Another example is Aegis. Aegis, commonly called saw-scaled viper, carpet viper. Aegis is a nocturnal snake. It rarely make daytime appearance. They are also venomous. Venom consists neurotoxin, cytotoxin, cardiotoxin, and hemotoxin. They include some of the species responsible for causing the most snake bite cases and death in the world. Saw-scaled viper are relatively small snakes. The head is relatively small and short, white, pear-shaped, and distinct from the neck. Eyes are relatively large and the body is slender and cylindrical. And the last one is hydrophis. Hydrophis, commonly called sea snakes. They all are found in sea. All sea snakes have paddle-like tail and many have laterally compressed and adapted for swimming. Hydrophis are poisonous snake and very dangerous to mankind. They feed on fishes. Body is elongated and covered with small scales. General pigment is dark olive green above with yellowish crossbar and whitish area below. Sea snakes are active both day and night. Along with while they are among the most completely aquatic of all air-breathing vertebrates. ഇവിടെ കുറച്ച് എക്സാമ്പിൾസിൻ്റെ പിക്ചർ കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്. തയാസ്, നജ, Daboia, Bangaroos, Hydrophis, Aegis, and last one is Typhlops. Thank you all.